I loved growing up in Mozambique. I had great childhood, amazing grades. I even applied for and got into the Kennedy-Lugar Youth Exchange Study Program. Going to the US was a journey. I remember the first time of class, I was doing great in my science and math. But this desktop elective class had me beat. They hand us our laptops, and I just remember looking at the people around me type like it was an extension of their fingers. But I had never once typed on a laptop before. My fingers felt like lead, and man, for the first time in my life, I felt like kind of stupid. But I also felt like the only thing holding me back was determination. I went to my host mom to practice on the family laptop and just typed and learned and fell in love with it. When I went back home to Mozambique, I ended up getting not one, but 2 scholarships. I graduated with my master's in IT with a bachelor's in computer engineering. Today, I teach my parents and siblings the basic computer skills. I even bought my parents a laptop. They loved it, especially my